Yeah, so this is a pretty major renovation, and what we do is so cool because like you get to take a tiny little house that was almost unlivable and build something like this, put a family inside of it to live there and raise their family, put down some roots. Like, man, there's nothing cooler. Yeah, so right now up here we're in a bonus space. So this is actually an attic, but it is actually, you know, considered a livable space. So you see, you know, we've got fire sprinklers up here. It's going to be fully insulated. Like, this is going to be a really great bonus room that, you know, they certainly didn't have before. Probably put a full gym up here if you really wanted to. I mean, just get the, like, this is probably pretty good. This is about all you really need, right? Before we cover up with any drywall, we want to make sure that we go through a rough-in deficiency checklist with our customers. So this is going to cover all things like backing heights, shower heights. This is going to be mirrors on the wall. This is going to be light heights. We want to make sure that they have a full understanding of where all the switches are in their house, all the plugs are, and they have a full understanding of how the house functions, how it works before we get too far down the road. The other thing that we want to make sure that we want to do is that we're taking photos of every single plumbing fixture, light fixture, wherever it is that we're putting backing inside of a wall. So all of that is documented inside the client's management system. So they have access to all those photos even after the project moves to a warranty phase. Because if they're down the road looking to put a grab bar in above their tub, they want to be able to look back, see the exact height at which we've laid it out for, to know that it's going to be there. So when they're drilling through, they know that they're going to hit something.